Hey there, I'm David Willhite, an Energy Service Coordinator at Middle Tennessee Electric. If you've seen our other energy workshops, you're probably aware of how much your heating, air, ductwork, and insulation affect your energy consumption. Your heating and air can use up to 40 to 60% of your monthly energy, which is why it is important to keep your ductwork and insulation maintained. However, the cost to buy and own large appliances and electronic devices has decreased and encourages members to buy more of them to make their life more convenient and comfortable. Over the past few years, energy consumption studies have started to show the large appliances and small electronic devices categories use more energy than ever before in history. This means your HVAC system is the largest single energy hog in your home, but your collection of appliances and electronics is consuming the same amount or more depending on your home and time of year. So let's talk about how to reduce energy usage across your appliances and electronics. Large appliances use a lot of energy when they are running. Here's a few quick tips to increase their efficiency. We'll start with cleaning it up. Clean your large appliances regularly to reduce buildup inside the refrigerator coils, dryer vents, and water tank. Doing a deep clean at least twice a year can extend the life of your appliances and use less energy in the process. The second thing we're going to look at is check the temperature. Check the temperature on your water heater, refrigerator, and freezer can save you money each month. I recommend lowering your water heater thermostat to 125 degrees. That's warm enough to wash your dishes and take a bath while eliminating the extra energy used to heat the water. I also recommend setting your refrigerator to 37 degrees and your freezer to 0 degrees. This will ensure your food is safely cold and reduces energy waste. The third thing we're going to talk about is use small appliances. Whenever possible, use the smallest appliance necessary. For instance, cook with crock pots instead of firing up the oven. It uses less energy and provides a great meal. The fourth thing we're going to talk about is consolidating the task using large appliances. Save energy by reusing the heat from your oven or dryer. Drying consecutive loads of laundry allows you to use the heat from previous cycles instead of warming a colder dryer at the same time. The same applies for cooking with your oven. Once you warm it up, cook several meals or items in a row to reduce the energy wasted in preheating your oven each time. Only do full loads of laundry. Save energy by making the most of your appliances. Dishwashers, dryers, ovens, and washing machines use about the same amount of energy no matter how much or how little is inside of them. So fill them up. The fewer cycles you run, the less energy you waste. Now, let's talk about small devices. You've probably got tens or hundreds of them plugged in around your home. Phones, computers, TVs, lamps, anything you plug into an outlet is costing you money. Whatever you plug into your outlet is drawing electricity. It even draws electricity even when it's off. You could be losing money because of how much energy is wasted, and you don't even know it's used. We call the energy consumption by unused electronic devices the phantom load. You may have also heard it called the energy vampire because it is sucking energy away from your home. Here are 3 examples of how phantom load is increasing your energy bill. Devices using batteries constantly charging and discharging energy. For instance, your laptop or tablet runs on a battery. When you put it in sleep, it draws power by using the smallest amount of energy to keep running its basic functions in the background. It's why you can start it up in a matter of seconds. As the battery depleted, the charger automatically charges it up again. It hasn't used a lot of energy, but it's still pulling electricity from when you open it back up again. The best thing to do is to shut the laptop or any device completely off while it is on the charger, or if you don't want to be using it for a period of time. Devices like smart home electronics, gaming systems, and stereos constantly draw electricity. If you see a light anywhere on the device or wall outlet, then the device is pulling energy. It might be nice to have a clock showing on your stereo system, but it's more efficient to unplug it when not in use. Anything plugged in an outlet can waste energy in the form of heat. Just like water, electricity flows along the path of at least resistance. Unless an outlet is unconnected by a switch, you may be losing energy as it converts to heat. If you notice a cord or charger is warm or hot to touch, you should consider unplugging it when not in use to save energy. So, how do you manage all these devices when you leave the house? Should you unplug everything all the time? Of course not. Besides turning devices completely off or disabling sleep modes, one of the best ways to manage your phantom load is to use power strips. These allow you to plug in multiple items and disconnect power to all of them at one time. To take it a further step, I recommend smart power strips. These automatically disconnect your devices when not in use, without having to flip a switch or hit a button. Beyond your electric devices and large appliances, I want to take a moment to recommend investing in LED bulbs and lighting whenever possible. Current bulbs use a fraction of the energy traditional or CFL bulbs use. They also last years or decades depending on how often or where they are used. The cost has dropped significantly, so I'd recommend replacing bulbs around the house as they go out. It may seem expensive to change all of them, but if you do a few every year, the savings will soon add up. Thanks for listening and watching to this workshop on large appliances and small energy devices. If you want some help with your energy efficiency, give us a call at 877-777-9020. In addition to helping you improve your energy habits, the Energy Service team can conduct a home efficiency evaluation to spot other ways you can save energy each month and reduce your bill.